Welcome back to the fast lane, and in today's video we're going to be upgrading the headlights on my Ford Fiesta. This is thanks to AUXITO, who have sent me their very own LED headlight bulb which I can fit on the Ford Fiesta and then tell you guys if it's any good or not. Right, before I show you what's in the box, I need to take the headlight units out of the car so that I can fit them a lot easier and show you what I'm doing. What I absolutely love about Fiestas is that they're so easy to work on. Literally 2 bolts, a clip, and then take the cable out and the whole headlight unit comes out. With the headlight unit out, it's time to go back inside and see what's inside that box. So this is the headlight bulb that was sent to me by AUXITO for the Ford Fiesta. Let's unbox this and see what's inside. Let's get it open and have a look at what's actually inside this thing. If I can get my prying fingers in, there we go. So if we take the packaging off, we don't care about that. The actual box looks really nice, but obviously we care about what's inside the box. So it tells me on here, it's gonna give me high brightness, a long lifetime span, which for me is a big plus because I always tend to buy cheaper LEDs and they always break on me. I'm constantly replacing them, as you'll see in my other videos if you've watched them. It says it's plug and play, which I love. I don't like having to deal with any issues. I like it just to be able to be plugged in and work first time. And it also says off-road. I mean, whatever that means. So opening it up, you get your nice little user manual in there. I'm sure that has all the information in case you need it. And then in here, there are the bulbs. So they're nicely packaged like this. So if we open it up, you can see inside how it's got the 2 connectors that we're going to plug in, and I'll show you exactly how we're going to do that. And then it seems to also have 2 of the very bright LEDs on either side. So we're going to get this installed and see how bright this thing really is. Take a look at this headlight. If I take you to the back side of it, you could probably do this while it's still on the car. All you need to do is take this back cover off, which you could probably do while it's still on. I've taken it off so you can get a better angle while I do it. So if you pull this out, the current bulb is just connected in like this. If I just give it a good pull, with a good strong pull, it was in there quite stiff. This is the current bulb I have on. Let's just quickly compare it. I think you can see how there's just a lot more LEDs packed into that space, and it just looks like a better unit altogether on this one. This is what happens when you buy cheap LEDs like me. This is actually the second pair I've gone through, so I'm hoping that this one does live up to what it says it can do, is brighter and lasts longer. That's what we're hoping for. So you just plug it in like so. Then once I'd done the exact same on the other headlight, I could take it back outside and fit it back onto the car. Okay, so I've taken the plug back off the back to make sure it doesn't kind of sit loose around. If you put it in and then give it a little twist, these metal bits should go underneath. If I'm lucky. Yeah, it's quite a tight fit, but it goes under and twists, and it sits under here now. It's not going anywhere. Okay, now comes the bit you've probably been waiting to see. Did this new headlight bulb make a difference? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait until it's dark. I'm going to compare the old headlights to the new headlights so you can see exactly how much of a difference this makes. Okay, so this is my current headlights on the Fiesta, and it doesn't look too bad. I thought this was actually pretty decent. But let's have a look at the new headlights. Do you think it's going to make that much of a difference? I mean, look at that. Straight away, you can see that my camera is having real issues picking up just how bright these headlights are. Looking at it like this, I think it's definitely safe to say that these new headlights are definitely brighter. Not only are the new headlights brighter, but they're also more of a crisp white light and have a much sharper line, which I think gives the car a much more of a modern feel than the old headlights. Overall, I think it was definitely an upgrade for the Fiesta, but let me know what you think. If you do think it's an upgrade, then AUXITO were not only nice enough to send me the headlights, but they've also given me a link to give you 15% off if you want to buy some headlights for your car. Use the code NOG15 on the link in the description to get yourself some new headlights and upgrade how well you can see in the dark. But that is it for this video. If you did enjoy, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the future videos coming up on the channel.